Good morning from a stick blind. Bryce and I are back out for a duck hunt today and just set up on a really hidden pool of water. Got a pretty good little hide, which we need today especially. It's not supposed to be sunny, it's supposed to be overcast, light wind, and it's gonna be a crosswind, which we do have a little breath of it, thankfully, but not a lot of birds around. We lost a lot when that Arctic blast came through, so not sure what to expect. We've had 2 ducks fly over is all, and a few geese, but haven't seen a lot flying yet. Maybe more of a mid-morning flight, hopefully, but we'll see what happens. Four of them circled, and then just the hen kept circling. Could have shot her.
Good shot.
Sorry, Bryce.
Nope, you're good.
You said do what you're gonna do.
Yep. Nope, you're good.
We're on the board. Took us about 4 hours, but we did it. Oh yeah.
Dude, he is
Stud. Switched up the spread. We pulled all the pintails, moved the spinner back here, moved a pair back here, knocked a little bit of the ice out. And this is where we were seeing them yesterday when we came and scouted. So we're pulling the rest of the pintails, just mix a couple in with the mallards, and the blind's right here. So they're gonna be straight in front, but lack of wind. It's only supposed to get up to 10 if it even blows. Right now it's almost dead calm, but since the sun has came out, we've had some birds give us a look. So here's the blind, just kind of a stick blind, and put some sedges and stuff up in it, help knock it out. We wanted really good top cover today because of the overcast conditions and lack of wind. They can just circle and circle like the last couple of groups have been doing. So it looks pretty good. Blocked it out, and then we just sit down below. Hopefully the sun comes out though and gives it a little more shadow so we can hide even better. But we got a duck. We've got a few ducks already worked in, so nice old greenhead already. So on the board, no skunk. Hopefully get a few more. Next pass, Bryce. They're dropping really low. Ready. Right there. So was that other one just hard to shoot at, or did you have a good shot at it, I guess?
I had a good shot at it, but I was waiting, like, I needed just like a hair sooner for you to call it.
Okay, well, next time.
Yeah.
I thought with how they curved in, I thought that was probably our best shot there though.
Yeah,
but
he was locked here.
and then hooked in.
Yeah, and then like when you called it, then like I was here instead of out here.
And I had to, like, well, this guy was coming over this way. I don't know if they would have hooked back in, but I was like right there. Finally getting some work in and getting some shots at him now. So there's my second. Bryce unfortunately missed his, but another studly old drake. No band. Don't move, Bryce.
Gave him the business.
Oh yeah.
There's always a chance of that.
That's another studly old greenhead. Oh, I feel bad. I'm game hogging over here.
If I'll tell you when to feel bad, how's that?
Okay.
Like, until we reach that point, don't feel bad.
All right, Bryce. You convinced me. Well, hey, look at it this way. If I shoot 2 more, they're all yours.
Exactly.
Not yet. I'll swing back around. Did you get one?
Yep.
That was a nice working flock. We each got one. I couldn't get the double. Those ones just whoosh.
Just heard the tornado of wings.
That's a beautiful one. Nice shooting. Heck yeah, buddy.
Now we're hunting.
Here we go, here we go. Should set up here. Arr! I mean, they kept circling around. They just never really, they might have been lower the pass before, but it's like these birds, I mean, he was 30 yards until he flared after the first 2 misses. And then I just smoked him on the third shot. Oh. Oh, shoot. Bryce, you better just get in.
Yeah.
I think we'll get some more. You take whatever shots you want, Bryce. Nice. All right, right as I limited out, Bryce just got him his 2nd duck of the day. That was a good mess of mallards. They made us wait almost all day, but hey.
Always worth the wait. Jeez,
Always. You smoked him. That was a great shot. Of course, the ones before that just circled.
I'll take the shot, right?
Yeah, that bird hovering right there.
Dude, I shot his foot.
Yeah.
Huh, never done that before.
All right, there's mine. Bryce has 2. I'm limited out. I'm not even gonna worry about a bonus duck because we haven't seen one. Oh, dude, look at all these ducks. Oh, right here, Bryce. Just let's try to get you a double. Okay, there's at least 2 drakes. You take whatever you want. Those other 4 are coming back, Bryce. Right here. Get ready, Bryce. Right there. I think they're both drakes. Here they come back around. See them? Oh yeah, take this drake right here. Right up front. Shoot that drake. Shoot the drake. Yeah. No band. Nice little Susie though.
Super nice Susie.
Couldn't get the drake though. I thought you were gonna double.
Dude, I almost did.
You weren't off too much, I don't think. And calling that a day, came out here, hunted this hidden pool. We scouted it yesterday afternoon, saw 4 mallards, landed it. Figured we'd give it a shot. Made a pretty nice little blind, which we definitely needed today because of the calm, overcast conditions make it tough. It's some of the toughest duck hunting conditions out there, and we had to wait them out all day. But you know, I got my greenhead limit. Bryce shot 2 drakes and a Susie. We probably could have finished out, but we're gonna pick up so we can walk out with daylight left. Still an amazing, amazing day, especially for, there's really not a ton of birds around yet. We lost a lot of them earlier, but the stick blind worked, and so did the little hidden pool we hunted today. You can't complain about that at all. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.